Look at this amazing painting that I have drawn.
I can't see anything. It is just white blank canvas.
No, it's a painting of a cow eating a grass.
Where is the grass?
The cow ate the grass.
Where is the cow?
After eating the grass, the cow left.
So people actually spend money to buy nothing.
Well, that is the power of late capitalism. I hope that you have got the gist of what NFTs are, but watch the complete video to get the reasonable understanding of NFTs and explain to others as well. So what are NFTs or non-fungible tokens? Fungible is something that can be replaced and non-fungible is just the opposite or irreplaceable. So basically NFTs are digital assets that have been deemed valuable due to their immense popularity in online media. Recently, the NFTs have gained popularity due to a few unbelievable transactions that you might have all heard in news. These digital assets are selling for millions of dollars, ranging from art and music to tacos and toilet paper. Every day, the first 5,000 days in an artwork that was sold for $69.3 million. An NFT of the first tweet ever posted on Twitter was purchased for $2.9 million. Human One was another artwork that was sold for an NFT for $28.9 million. And there are many more billion dollars spent on something digital and virtual, and nothing in physical sense. If you add up these three transactions above, it sums up to approx of $100 million, which is pretty decent amount and could have been used to feed and treat poor. Some experts feel they are a bubble that are about to burst, while others believe they are here to stay and will forever revolutionize investment. This is a conflict between opinions, and let me give you a few pointers on NFTs. The final choice will always be yours to make. What is NFT in technical terms? An NFT is a digital asset that is used to represent real-world artifacts such as art, music, in-game items, and videos. Despite the fact that they've been using since 2014, NFTs are gaining popularity currently as a popular means to buy and sell digital artwork. But if you can see something online and capture it by taking a screenshot or downloading it, then why would you buy it? Because the buyer can own the original item with an NFT. It also comes with built-in authentication, which acts as a proof of ownership, and digital bragging rights are almost as valuable as the item itself to collectors. How do NFTs work? NFTs are stored on a blockchain, which is a decentralized public ledger that keeps track of transactions. Basically, the core technology behind cryptocurrencies. NFTs are commonly held on Ethereum blockchain, but they can also be held on other blockchains. An NFT is made up of digital artifacts that are both tangible and intangible stuff, such as art GIFs, videos, short clips, music, and other collectibles are available. NFTs are essentially digital versions of tangible collectors' artifacts. As a result, rather than receiving an actual oil painting to put on the wall, the customer receives a digital file because there can only be one owner at a time. They also obtain exclusive ownership rights because NFTs include unique data. It's simple to verify ownership and transfer tokens between owners. Snoop Dogg, Salman Khan, Amitabh Bachchan are among the celebrities who have jumped on the NFT bandwagon, sharing the unique memories, artwork, and moments on securitized NFTs. How to purchase an NFT? If you are interested in starting your own NFT collection, you'll need the following items. To begin, you'll need a digital wallet that can hold both NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Depending on what currencies your NFT provider takes, you'll probably need to buy some cryptocurrency such as Ether. When researching your alternatives, keep fees in mind. When you acquire crypto, most exchanges charge at the least portion of your transaction. What is the future? If you buy a painting for your house, you can buy it from the art gallery or online stores. It would be delivered carefully, and with a few drills on your wall, the painting would adorn your house. Now if you bought an NFT of that painting, what would you do with it? And how would you hang it on the wall? And most importantly, there would be a million copies of that painting on the internet. But yes, you would have the original one if it really matters. Personally, I wouldn't care about the original rights, nor would most of the people. The truly tremendous and amazing Mona Lisa in the public domain, and I have a mug, keychain, and a postcard with this painting printed on it. NFTs are dangerous because their future is unknown and there isn't enough data to gauge their performance. Because NFTs are so new, it could be worth trying them without little amount for now. Investing in NFTs, in other words, is essentially a personal decision. If you have some extra cash, it's worth considering, especially if the piece has sentimental values for you. But keep in mind that the value of an NFT is solely determined by what someone else is prepared to pay for it. You might be able to resell an NFT for less than what you spent for it. If no one wants it, you might not be able to resell it at all. NFTs and Instagram, according to statistics, Instagram has over 1.4 billion monthly active users, making it one of the most popular social networks on the planet. Many people already use Instagram to advertise art, music, and many types of businesses and commerce. The world's largest NFT marketplace will be soon launched on Instagram, and Facebook will soon follow. There is a plan to make NFTs a part of metaverse that is also gaining popularity nowadays. How can NFTs affect our world? Most of you might think that if a bunch of billionaires buying or selling something over the internet does not affect the remaining 99% of the world's population or our environment, then here is in the catch. The technology behind NFTs is the blockchain technology, the same used for mining cryptocurrencies. With hundreds of thousands of computers turned on for 24 hours and 365 days a year, the power consumed amounts to 33 terawatt hours. And this is just by the Ethereum blockchain, which uses as much power required by a small country to survive. To generate this amount of electricity, we need to burn fossil fuels and put out more carbon in our atmosphere. More carbon leads to more pollution and degradation of Earth as a sustainable planet. Global warming, melting polar caps, extinction of species, all just to push some numbers digitally. And one day, when you don't have the power to generate the electricity or the internet, those numbers are all gone into nothingness. From where they come, ha ha ha. Conclusion. I believe that is enough information for you to understand all about NFTs and whether you should invest in them or not. A few transactions, some millions spent, don't give much credibility to NFTs. It is still not a thing or nothing and does not account for anything in real world, as it is not physical but a psychological hype only. There is no value to an NFT until they gain real value or worth. I would call NFTs a not fucking thing instead of non-fungible token for now. If you find the video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.